And in Bollywood news, now Siddharth Malhotra and Jacqueline Fernandez may not have shared much screen space in their last Brothers, but they promise that's all set to change in their next action-packed adventure. The last time I caught up with Sid and Jacqueline was actually the promotion of Brothers, but today they've got another reason to call on each other in quite the literal way. What's up? Such excellent acting, I have to say.
Yes, hi. Oh, hello. Hi. Yes. Jack. Lean on me.
Oh, of course.
Oh, you're coming?
That's
Okay.
a good one. That's a good one. We hear so much about the two of you because you're such busy people and always on the move. We're hearing so many, rumors about all the films that you're all doing, not doing, all of this back and forth. Now that I finally caught the two of you, what is actually on the plate at the moment?
We're actually doing a project together, which we start by this weekend.
In a few days.
In a few days. Raj and DK are directing it. It's an entertaining action film. We're going to shoot in Miami. We're going to shoot in Malaysia. It's not a part 2 of anything. We still haven't titled it because we want to come up with the best title. And
it's not Bang Bang 2.
No.
It's not. It's not.
We're taking our time here.
So we're taking our time. We're going to introduce it slowly as and when we feel that it's the right time. We're pretty excited.
It's going to be really cool, and I think we're going to be seeing Sid also in something pretty unexpected and new. So, and I love being part of action. So for me, this is going to be like a lot of fun, and we're shooting in Miami, working with Sid.
I think Raj and DK have got a great balance of getting a lot of quirk and humor into their action, right?
They do.
Everything is not so, we do it seriously, but it's actually funny when it comes out on screen.
They have a twist in the tail always.
So I'm really looking forward to that. Obviously working with Jacqueline now as properly because we hardly had anything in Brothers.
Yeah, we didn't. We had like one.
Not even one scene then. You exit in 30 seconds.
Jacqueline remembers it and you don't. She's very hot.
One tiny, but you exited and then I entered and
then I was there.
My brother slaps me. I remember that.
And unfortunately, also like when you were fighting Akshay in the ring, I was like.
All
that stuff was, shot completely separately, and so it was just
So this time we're actually interacting in a film. So
wow, we have dialogues together. Yay!
And this October